can. So I got some yard shoes to wear in the dirt while I'm doing dirt stuff. And they kind of match my watering can a little bit, which was intentional. There's like a weird flap thing. They're big, they're pretty comfortable. They're squishy on my feet. Mark, what do you think of my feet?
What?
What do you think of my shoes?
They look beautiful. They match your pants
Yes.
perfectly. Your Christmas flamingo pants. Yeah. And your hunter's green robe.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's everything I've ever wanted.
All right, I'm sold. Maybe I'll get some in like pink
Yeah.
for inside the
It's
house.
funny how silly Crocs are, and then people are like, I really like them. Like, oh,
They're actually pretty great.
that's cool. What's great about them?
They're just like squishy and like spacious.
Yeah, that front is big, so yes.
Like your toes can spread out inside of them.
Yeah.
Really comfortable. And yeah, since they're, I don't know, they're like a unit on your foot, they just kind of, they don't really feel like shoes, like normal shoes, which I guess they're not. So
So that's why they make all the money. Interesting.
I would recommend